right, y'all, we back. So, guys, TV, I'm here to give y'all a quick little update on the crash that's happening. And the only thing that I can tell y'all is hold. We've seen crashes like this before. Do not be afraid. Do not have fear. When the fear index up and the greed is down, it is a perfect time to buy into the dips. This is not financial advice. This is only what Millie's doing. But I'm telling you guys, hold. You gotta have diamond hands. You gotta have diamond hands. You gotta have diamond hands, baby. Everything is happening for the reason. This is a big market correction. All right, y'all, so I got a banger for you, but you gotta remember, you gotta watch the video to the end. You gotta watch the video to the end so you can get all the gems and all the knowledge. And if you wanna get a little bit of information on stocks, crypto, and just what I'm investing play by play, please join the Patreon. We got a group that's growing, man. Beautiful things. A lot of people that's talking about money, investing. So join the Patreon, join the membership, give it an opportunity, man. But make sure y'all check out the video from the beginning all the way to the end. So, guys, TV, let's get into this banger. All right, so let's get into the overall reason that the market is declining. All right, let's talk about it. So the overall decline is a symptom of lost confidence amongst market participants. The mass sell-off came alongside a similar downturn in the stock market, followed a warning from a long-time investor. Louis Naviello warned that the proposed tapering by the Federal Reserve would burst the flourishing crypto bubble. And that's what it's really doing. It's really bursting the bubble. It got people running. It got people taking all their little money out. He says, he recently wrote, the tapering would create a correction in risk assets of which Bitcoin is part. Navier added that the organization tapers, it will inflame volatility sweeping across both stocks and bonds as well. The volatility would hit in established currencies, but the least valuable first. Ultimately, they can result in Bitcoin losing up to 80% of its value, potentially dropping below 10,000. Mr. N, I'm gonna call him Mr. N, set out a potential warning signs that such a dramatic decline was on the way. So y'all, it's this big investor. He's putting a prediction out inside the market that Bitcoin is gonna get corrected because the Fed is starting to taper, whatever the word, the T word, the Fed, they're getting involved and they want to correct the market. And because a lot of people feel like Bitcoin is the less valuable than stocks and bonds, it might be the first to serve a major correction, dropping it all down to 10 grand. You know what I call this? I call this fear. Hold, have diamond hands. All right, so Mr. N said he would see a decline below 46,000 as a yellow flag and anything below 28,000 as a complete massive double top. That in turn would point towards a decline to below 10 grand. Mr. N comments aren't the only factors currently scaring investors, as real world events are too. The OC, I'm not going to say it, y'all know what I'm talking, the big O, the OC variant has emerged as one of them, and infections leaving people really jittery in the market. So we got the OC out there. We got this big investor putting bad juju and painting a dark cloud for cryptocurrency and all. So y'all, the only thing I call that is fear. The whales want to take your money. They want you to take your money out. They want you to put your money back in. They want you to sell while they buy the dips and invest. So what we got to do, y'all, as a team, as a community, we need to buy the dips and hold, have those diamond hands. But this was a quick little update on why Bitcoin is crashing, y'all, and the cryptocurrency, stocks market, and everything is going down. It's nothing to be afraid of. This is natural. They always do this. Right. A big red candle, right, going into at the end of the year, going into the next year. We should see few green candles. So don't be afraid to invest. Don't be afraid to buy the dip. Don't be afraid of the OC or Mr. N or what everybody's saying, man. Do not let the fear get in your head. Continue to invest. Continue to create a legacy for your family and for your future. Do not let the fear scare you away from making some of the biggest investments in your life, man. So this is Millie V with Soap Guys TV. And again, this is not financial advice. This is just what Millie's doing. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Let's get it.
Even pigeon toed, hiding from my folks, giving different strokes. Niggas bounce back like school dodgeball. You ain't really worth it if it's my call. I'm a hidden gem and you a slime ball. Check my bank balance, how could I fall? I'm a top shotter, you a low ball. When you